How should I approach building my membership program? Here in front of me is my free course, my free Skool community with the first 3 steps to take to create your own membership program. The first step is you deciding on what your membership program is going to be all about. You creating a membership coaching program offer. That is step 1. Deciding on what you're going to help other people with, how you're going to get them to that outcome, and how much you're going to charge for your program. Step 2 is opening Skool so you can upload your course there and you can be ready to accept your first few members paying you. So using a Skool platform is going to make it all very easy for you to accept the first few members. Step 3 here we have now is you enrolling the first 5 members paying you. Achieving this milestone is going to allow you to start believing yourself, have a little income coming in, and you're going to be able to go from 5, 10 to 15 then. In this step 3 I teach you how you should go about signing the first few members by creating content, talking to people, engaging with people, booking quick calls, and signing members into your membership program. There is also step 4 that I teach, which is putting systems in place through which people can then come to you and enroll into your membership program passively. Find the link to my free Skool and my free course down below so you can go through these steps. For you to build a consistent coaching practice, you will want to start signing people into your membership coaching program offer that's going to provide you with a part-time and then full-time recurring income. If you would like to take the first steps with your own membership program and build it on Skool app, find the link down below. I have a free course for you and a free community where we support one another on this journey. Find the link down below, study my free course, and get yourself going in life. See ya.